So for the quantimeter of the combine, you can adjust the hectoliter weight to adjust the quantimeter down the bottom here. So enter in the area of wheat, and then we scroll across to that one there, which is the weigh cells. Go into there, and then this first one here says specific crop weight. This one here is the hectoliter weight. So that is the little tube that we get with the weigh cell. Once you've measured that, anywhere in the field you can enter the settings. So all we need to do is press enter. Press enter again, we get the scale up here with the plus and minus, and now we can then adjust it using the main key, either up or down if need be. We have to press enter and escape, but without having to go into that menu, what we can do is we can use the hotkey. So turn the hotkey round to the weigh cell. Once it pops up here in the middle, this is now the hectoliter weight. Here we can now adjust it either up or down using the hotkey. So we don't have to go into that area of wheat menu and scroll through the different menus. It's right here on our hotkey. So for the quantimeter, we have this magic eye here. So this eye here, we have a sender and a receiver, one on each side of the clean grain elevator. If you're working in mucky crops and or just general work, what you can find is the lens gets scratched or dirty. To clean that, what we do is we first undo it here. And there you can see the lens. The same for this is only a damp cloth to clean the lens off. There's this one, and there's also the one on the back as well. Don't forget to do that one. When you put it back in, make sure that the lens is located properly in its cup, and then refit it.